In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image inside text effect in GIMP step by step using a simple method that gives you a clean, professional result. This is a great effect for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, YouTube banners, and any design where you want your text to stand out with an image showing through it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to place inside your text. To do that, go to File, then Open, and choose the picture you want to use. This image will become the fill for your text, so pick something with strong colors, good contrast, or an interesting texture if you want the final effect to look even better. Once your image is open, it's time to add your text. Select the text tool from the toolbox, or simply press T on your keyboard. Then click on your image and type the word or phrase you want to turn into the image inside text effect. For the best result, choose a thick, bold font. Fonts like Sans Bold work well because they make the image inside the letters easier to see and keep the effect looking strong and clear. You can also adjust the size of the text, position it where you want, and make sure it covers the area of the image you want visible inside the letters. If needed, move the text around until it looks balanced on the canvas. This step matters because the placement of your text will determine how the image appears inside it. Now that your text is in place, go to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where we'll create the selection that will turn the text into a mask for the image. Right-click on the text layer and then choose Alpha to Selection. You'll immediately see the marching and selection outline appear around your text. That means GIMP has selected the exact shape of the letters. Next, hide the text layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Don't worry, the selection will stay visible even though the text layer is hidden. This is an important step because we want the image to show through the text shape without the text itself being visible on top. Now click on the image layer to make sure it's active. This step is very important because the layer mask needs to be added to the image layer, not the text layer. Once the image layer is selected, right-click on it and choose Add Layer Mask. A dialog box will appear with different options for initializing the mask. From these choices, select Selection. This tells GIMP to use the current text selection as the mask shape. Then click Add. As soon as you do that, the rest of the image will disappear, and you'll be left with your picture showing neatly inside the shape of your text. At this point, your image inside text effect is basically complete. It should look like the image is perfectly clipped into the letters, which gives it that clean, modern design style. If the image looks slightly off, you can still move the image layer around to position the visual content better inside the text shape. That gives you a lot of flexibility to fine-tune the final look. When you're happy with the result, go to Select and then choose None, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard. This removes the selection border and gives you a cleaner final view of your design. Now you have a polished image inside text effect created in GIMP without needing advanced tools or complicated editing. This technique is quick, useful, and easy to repeat for different projects. You can use it for bold titles, custom graphics, or eye-catching promotional designs. Once you practice it a couple of times, you'll be able to make this effect very fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more GIMP tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.